about this picnic?
Today we are in Denmark and we had a lovely picnic.
This is a wonderful place to have a picnic with a clean environment.
I always enjoy going out with my friends.
Very nice lunch together as one family. The time that we had together was fantastic.
Thank you, teachers and friends, for the great time you gave us.
Hello guys, my name is 𝗙𝗂𝗿 and I'm a student from FAM school. I love my school and my teachers. They learn me a lot of things and they decide to go to a picnic this weekend. We go on a picnic, we go to Deman and I play with my friends and we eat all together, we play a lot of things. I love that FAM school. Hi guys, I am Radia. I'm a student from FAM school. Today our teachers decided they would take us on a trip to Deman. It's a wonderful day and I'm so grateful to be here. Hey guys, I'm Zia and I'm a student from FAM school, a private school in Rania, and it's the best school that I have ever went. And today my teachers decided to take us to a trip to Deman and it's really fun and I'm really grateful. Thank you FAM school.